Hello everyone, today I am going to highlight the process of glycolysis. Glycolysis is a series of reactions that extract energy from glucose by splitting it into three carbon molecules called pyruvate. This is an ancient metabolic pathway, meaning that it evolved long ago and it is found in the great majority of organisms alive today. Glycolysis is the first stage of respiration and it does not require oxygen. Let's start with a simplified version of the pathway of glycolysis. It takes place in the cytosol of a cell and it can be broken down into two main phases. Number 1, energy requiring phase. Above the dotted line. Number 2, energy releasing phase. Below the dotted line. Let's start it. Energy requiring phase. In this phase, the starting molecule of glucose gets rearranged and two phosphate groups are attached to it. The phosphate groups make the modified sugar, now called fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, unstable, allowing it to split in half and form two phosphate bearing 3 carbon sugars. Because the phosphates used in these steps come from ATP, two ATP molecules get used up. The 3 carbon sugars formed when the unstable sugar breaks down are different from each other. Only one glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate can enter the following steps. However, the unfavorable sugar DAP, this is called dihydroxyacetone phosphate, can be easily converted into the favorable one. So both finish the pathway in the end. Now let's talk about energy releasing phase. In this phase, each 3 carbon sugar is converted into another 3 carbon molecule, pyruvate, through a series of reactions. In these reactions, 2 ATP molecules and 1 NADH molecule are made. Because this phase takes place twice, once for each of the two 3 carbon sugars, it makes 4 ATP and 2 NADH overall. Each reaction in glycolysis is catalyzed by its own enzyme. The most important enzyme for regulation of glycolysis is phosphofructokinase, which catalyzes formation of the unstable 2-phosphate sugar molecule fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Phosphofructokinase speeds up or slows down glycolysis in response to the energy needs of the cell. Overall, the glycolysis converts one 6 carbon molecule of glucose into two 3 carbon molecules of pyruvate. The net products of this process are two molecules of ATP and two molecules of NADH. Thank you everyone. Now let's have a look molecular structures of compounds which are involved in glycolysis. Thank you. Thanks for watching.